morning, good morning, good morning. Change of scenery completely. Guys, we are in Japan and we are on the way to go and rent a car.
Only my husband.
Y'all let me know in the comments what car you think I'm gonna rent today. So obviously here in Tokyo, you wanna go to the Daikoku parking area for the car meets. So I had to rent a car in order to get there, because from what I've heard, no taxis, no Ubers, you can't walk there. So unless you know somebody here or you rent a car, you're not getting into that area. Place is sick, man. I'm not showing as excited as I am, but I am very excited. I'm just trying to keep it chill and trying to stay focused so that we don't get lost. So we are on the way to go and pick up the car. Just got off the trains. Now we are walking to the car rental place to pick up the car. Again, put your guess down below. Put your guess down below what car I rented for today. This is so cool, man. Just walking through the streets to the car rental. We have made it, y'all, to the location. We have made it to the location. Just show you guys some of the cars that they have here. Skylines, 3000 GTs, Sylvia, if I'm not mistaken, Skyline, Evos, Civic hatch type Rs, S2000s. They got an RX-7 back there. Another S2000, another S2, another RX-7. Fresh Skyline sitting there in the corner. I don't want to record too much because I don't know how they are here. But there's some dope cars here for you guys to rent. We got an S2000, guys. We got a blue S2000. What's your name, bud?
Normal blue.
This is so cool. We got an S2000, guys. Very cool. Yo, this is crazy. We literally got a right-hand drive S2000 in Japan. I'm super nervous to drive, guys, but we are going to the Daikoku parking center tonight to check out the cars.
Tonight's the night.
Got Natalie as my passenger trying to take a little picture. We're here, man, in the S2 freaking thousand. I can't believe I'm driving right now in Tokyo. Sorry, in Japan.
I think the like most confusing part is driving on the opposite side of the road.
Yes, it's
for sure. Like you
it's
question
scary
yourself every
and
time.
very nerve-wracking.
Flacco's getting ready to go to the expressway.
I'm nervous, y'all. I am nervous as
in
hell.
Japan. We have no idea what we're getting ourselves into. Dun dun dun.
Turn right.
Pray for us, y'all. If this video never uploads to YouTube, you know why.
I feel like this.
We made it! We're on the expressway. Handling it like a champ.
We're here. Even though I'm nervous as hell, but we're here. Daikoku parking area we are going tonight, man. I'm on a mission. We are on the way to the Daikoku parking area. We're on the freeway again. It's not as nerve-wracking as before, so we're doing good. We are on the way, y'all.
We've arrived.
Dude, this is wild right now. So now we gotta try to find parking. Oh, right there, look at that.
No way.
The destination destination is on your
No
right.
way.
Lawson Daikoku parking area shop. Arrived.
Arrived.
Yo, we just made it. It's crazy.
This place is real.
This place is packed with cars. All kinds of cars. All kinds of cars. So today, guys, I will be recording a little bit of everything, not just Hondas. I don't know. I have no idea, but it's cool. Sick MR2. Where's Tyrese? I wonder if that's Tyrese's Eclipse from Fast and Furious. That's a beautiful Sylvia. Super 2000s right there. Got the body kit, the neon glow underneath. Natalie would probably do something like that to her car.
I definitely would.
Check out this S2, guys. Nice wide body kit on there. See, what do you think? So, what do you think? See the hard top? I love the hard top. The hard top is fire. Sick Skyline as well.
That's a Skyline?
Yes.
That's pretty. I like that.
Carlos, where you at, bro? Where you at with your Skyline? Rob, where you at with yours? It wasn't as bad as I thought getting out here. Obviously we newbies to driving in Japan, but it wasn't that bad, honestly. But there's a lot of dope cars, man. You guys are ever out here in Japan, you definitely got to come and check this out. Yo, Skylines for days out here. Skylines and Sylvia's like for days. Nice sedan Skyline. Beautiful. What is Fair Lady? Sick, yes. Nissan Fair Lady. All of the we got all the Fast and the Furious cars out here today. This is the Lancer from it.
It's small, right? It just looks cool because
I put it like on the front. It'd be dope.
With the light up one though?
So you guys might have remembered at Fuel Fest video, I was talking about, you know, hopefully next year. That's one of the plans after our house. So we're debating right now if I go with a white S2 or maybe a yellow
I say
S2.
yellow because he's already doing the CRX white and black.
And I did have a silver S2000, but I don't want to go silver again for sure. So it's either going to be white or yellow. Put it down in the comments. White or yellow S2000. Yo, there really is like skylines everywhere. Oh, look at that shiny little thing over there. What's cool, guys, is you have just a regular ordinary car next to a car that's souped up and modified like crazy. So there's really no organization to it, but it's calm. No one's trying to do burnouts like they do in the States, being dumb as hell. You always got that one that ruins it. Everyone here is cool, calm, and collective, and still having a good time and enjoying cars. Looks like Barney's Supra. I bet you Barney's driving it. Type S RSX. Haven't seen one of these until literally just now. It's the first RSX, which is actually, if I'm not mistaken, a Honda Integra here. What is that? Oh, more Skylines. Here's the DeLorean again that I got earlier. Beautiful, beautiful RX-7. Everywhere, guys, everywhere. Everywhere.
Ooh, I love that pizza.
Porsche. Another bad boy. Another super sick, clean RX-7. So this is crazy. Someone took the time, that much time, to bedazzle a Lamborghini. That's wild. Wonder how much they spent on the bedazzled jewels. That's super cool. I don't even know what it is, but it's cool as hell. Oh, it's a Suzuki. Suzuki. Another Skyline. Guys, these things are like everywhere. Beautiful, beautiful blue. When I say they are everywhere, guys, they are everywhere. Everywhere. Nice little Supra. Haven't seen one of these in a while. Yo, there really is a little bit of everything for everyone. Whatever kind of car you kind of like. Hell, even muscle. There's everything. There's everything here. You name it. Whatever walks of life. Whatever walks of life
clocked out of work.
is out here. Yeah, right? And he came straight to the car show. We need to do better, guys, in the States. We need to do better in the States because, well, yes, with everything. Like, even out here, like, you don't hear a bunch of different music going on. People doing burnouts.
This is the most noise we've heard since we've gotten here.
Me and Natalie are probably the loudest people here. But yeah, this is dope. You have to come to a Daikoku parking area car meet. Another one. Another one. So like RX-7s and Skylines are definitely like the go-tos here in Japan. Sylvias as well. Seen a lot of those. Look at this. We even got a cop Bronco. Natalie said out of all the cars here, this is the one she wants.
No, I did not.
She wants this guy. It's about the size of a CRX. There goes the four-door Skyline. Pretty dope, man, to see four doors. You don't see them as often. It's got a whole little like spot for drinks, food, snacks, whatever you want. There's like a pearl white with like a, I don't know, it's just like a, yeah, that's the word I was trying to look for. That's clean. Carlos, where you at? Yeah, just so you know that this location is literally a parking spot for actual like big trucks. But, you know, at some certain times in the days, car guys want to take over it. This guy got his curtains closed. He's trying to sleep. And these damn kids, damn street racers. I'm not sure, to be honest. Another Lambo way over here in the corner. Another Skyline. Pretty Supra. Another Skyline. Yo, they're everywhere, man. They're everywhere. Look what pulled up. Another one. 2 more. It's like a Skyline crew. Oh, a female's driving this one. Another one. Bro, they really are like everywhere. 4-door.
They're literally everywhere.
Honda Accord, which is a TSX wagon in the States, but here it's a Honda Accord, just so you guys know. Wonder what this is. I forgot the name of this Honda, but this Honda is super dope, man. This is super freaking cool. Look at that.
Is it fast?
I have no idea, but
Air
it's
intake
cool as hell.
danger. It's fast.
What'd it say?
That's what it means. Danger.
Danger.
It says danger.
This is fire. It's a Nissan GTR pickup. Yeah, this is fire as hell.
Have you seen it before?
I mean, yes, but no. Like, you know,
In person?
online, but I've never seen one in person, no. RSX, man. Beautiful Sylvia with the license plate as 11/22, my birthday. Very clean, very clean. Well, it's looking like slowly but surely people are clearing out, so we're gonna grab us a drink and we're probably gonna clear out as well. Again, if you're ever in Japan, in the Yokohama area, even if you're not in Yokohama area, you find a way to get over here to the Daikoku parking area so that you guys can see how and what this is about. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm sure there was a bunch of cars that we probably missed, man, but we were just excited and enjoying the moment. So, as always, chase the dream.
Not the competition.
Peace.